Hi, students. So we had a great class today on March 31st. We had most of the class was there. I just want to do a quick summary of what we covered in class. So we started out in class by just reviewing how the class is going to be set up moving forward for the rest of this semester. That announcements will be an important place for you to look at on a daily basis to see what's going on. We will be having Zoom meetings on Tuesdays according to our class time, which we have the sessions down here. Over here, the class is now divided. This is where you will always find your homework. Class videos and materials will be placed here. These are the PDFs of the book so that if you don't have access to the book, you can have access here. These are really the three main places you will have to look at now. So we went over paragraphs. We went over the topic sentence and controlling idea by looking at page 75 in the textbook, looking at bad drivers. We said the controlling idea was three kinds and the topic was bad drivers. The first support was the aggressive driver. The second support was the person who multitasks, and the third one is the cautious driver. We made the connection to our paragraph on obstacles, that if we have three kinds of obstacles, we might have poverty, we might have physical, we might have emotional, we might have social, and then you could give examples based on the people that you know of. And then when you're talking about overcoming obstacles, you might have three different ways of overcoming obstacles. Mai gave us the example of having perseverance and persistence, and she gave the example of Marla Runyon, and we said that Marla Runyon was persistent in learning to read. She never gave up, even though she could only read one word on a page because it had to be magnified so greatly. We also looked at the fact that when we write our assignment, we're going to have transitions. And so, you're going to be using transitions like furthermore, next, moreover, in conclusion, therefore, in your writing. Finally, we looked at your homework. We said that if you had not completed the homework for March 31st, you could still do so, and we went over that. You must complete the outline for writing assignment 2 before starting writing assignment 2. And then we looked at the homework for April 6th, which includes the biggest ones are the writing assignment 2, the practice midterm, and the midterm exam, but note that that due date is the 13th. You may take it any time between now and the 13th. You can take the exam twice to get the best grade possible. The exam is timed to 2 hours. And if you have any questions, you can send them via Remind or messages. Take care.